I know, again, this is something Nuala and I think a lot about in our day jobs, but also with our own children in a variety of ages between the two of us. So what's something you would advise us and the parents out there about how to keep our kids safe in today's AI age?
Such a great question and a complex one. So I'll just try to speak at a high level, and then maybe we can dive into anything that seems appropriate for follow-up. I mean, I think the first thing that we always just try to acknowledge is tech is evolving really quickly, and that's important to name for parents, and that parents are also busy. So we have to make sure that we're getting them the information and content that's going to be applicable in a way that is going to work for them. Like a lot of times we try to think about parent advice through the lens of, is this something that a parent could understand or digest when they're in line at the supermarket or when they're at soccer practice? So we're thinking about the when and the how of information consumption alongside the messages. I think some of the core tenets of our work at Common Sense are really focused on approaching conversations about technology with curiosity and empathy in mind. So thinking about how to approach non-judgmental conversations with kids and teens, like, what do you like about that video game platform? Or have you heard about social AI companions? Or do you know any teens that are using Snapchat to talk to people that they don't know? Things like that, right? I think the second thing that I would reinforce for parents is that technology isn't monolithic. Like, as you just said, Miriam, depending on the use case, AI is going to have different risk levels, right? There's going to be some cases that are probably pretty low risk, and there's going to be others that are pretty high risk. So we use AI in lots of different places in our lives already, most of which are pretty low risk. And I think being able to start to detect and determine, okay, which are the higher risk applications is an important skill to start having for, like, when should you lean in and have some of those non-judgmental conversations. And then the last thing that we always emphasize for parents is that you have expertise that your kids don't. Like, well, they may be digital natives in a way that you're not, or well, they may have access with information about specific platforms that you don't have. You also know a lot about navigating the world, making mistakes, understanding what's risky and not. And those are the types of things that you can pass on and communicate to your kids and just really lean into.